Who were the winners in the men's and women's categories at the 2025 Kabaddi World Cup? Correct answer is option C, India. Where was the 6th BIMSTEC Summit 2025 held? Correct answer is option A, Bangkok, Thailand. Who became the first Kannada writer to win the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. What was the mascot of the Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Right answer is option C, Gajasimha. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Suchata Changsvi of Thailand. Tamil Nadu government has announced the Greater Flamingo Sanctuary at which place? Correct answer is option B, Dhanushkodi. L. Lakshminarayan, awarded the Padma Vibhushan 2025 in the field of arts, is primarily associated with which instrument? Correct answer is option B, violin. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option C, Khunyeng Patama. Who has been appointed as the first chairman of the National Turmeric Board? Correct answer is option C, Palle Ganga Reddy. What is India's rank in the Energy Transition Index 2025 released by the World Economic Forum? Correct answer is option B, 71. Which of the following films won the 2025 Golden Globe Award for Best Motion Picture in Non-English Language? Correct answer is option A, Amelia Perez. Which Indian city hosted the Women's Kabaddi World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, Rajgir, Bihar. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. The United Nations declared the year 2026 as. Correct answer is option C, International Year of the Woman Farmer. Which country recently honored Prime Minister Narendra Modi with its highest civilian award, Mitra Vibhushan? Correct answer is option A, Sri Lanka. Which countries have recently become members of the New Development Bank in July 2025? Correct answer is option D, Colombia and Uzbekistan. Who chaired the Indian delegation at the 11th BRICS Environment Ministers meeting? Correct answer is option A, Amandeep Garg. Which state became the first in India to achieve 100% literacy in 2025? Correct answer, option C, Mizoram. Where has India's first butterfly sanctuary been established? Correct answer is option A, Arulam, Kerala. What is India's rank in the Climate Change Performance Index 2025? Correct answer is option C, 10th rank. Who has been elected as the president of the International Big Cat Alliance? Correct answer is option D, Bhupendra Yadav. Where was the first International Conference on Glaciers Preservation 2025 held? Right answer is option D, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The RBI has granted NBFC license to which e-commerce company? Correct answer is option A, Flipkart. In March 2025, which Indian state has launched the P4 initiative to eradicate poverty by 2029? Correct answer is option D, Andhra Pradesh. Institution organized the World Sustainable Development Summit 2025? Correct answer is option C, the Energy and Resources Institute. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Correct answer is option C, Vietnam. Who has been appointed as the next Director General of the Indian Council of Agricultural Research? Correct answer is option A, Dr. Mangi Lal Jat. Which city has recently been nominated by the Government of India as UNESCO's Creative City of Gastronomy? Correct answer is option A, Lucknow, Uttar Pradesh. What is the time limit for appealing in the High Court under the Waqf Act 2025? Correct answer is option C, 90 days. Where was the 17th BRICS Summit held? Correct answer is option C, Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Which state won the 15th Hockey India Senior Men National Championship Trophy 2025? Correct answer is option A, Punjab. Which has become the fourth country to achieve successful space docking? Correct answer is option C, India. Which state has recently declared 2025 to 2035 as the Decade of Hydropower? Correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Chagos Islands, that was recently seen in news, is located in which ocean? Correct answer is option A, Indian Ocean. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Goa FC. Where will the first ever Khelo India Water Sports Festival be held? Correct answer is option C, Srinagar. In which country, IFFCO will set up its first overseas nano fertilizer plant? Correct answer is option C, Brazil. Which country becomes the first Latin American country to back out from China's Belt and Road Initiative? Correct answer is option A, Panama. Which Foundation Day was celebrated by ISRO on the 15th of August 2025?